Hello, this is Everyone Loves Stuff, and today I am going to be disassembling my old 2005 Windows XP, which also to be my mom's. So let's get into the disassembly. So my tools are right here, by the way. This is my first time actually opening up this specific computer, but not the first time I've opened up a computer. You're wondering why I'm leaving the screws loose is because it's not getting put back together anytime soon. But later down the line, I'm going to be rebuilding it. Well, just a shim, but with new internals. It'll be a gaming PC. See, I'm just going top down with the screws. Actually, holding this back wall in place. After the video is done, I'm keeping the screws in piles right now, but when the video is done, I'm actually going to organize them. So the tool I'm using is called a driver, because what you can do is swap out the heads. Also, these are not really screws. No idea what these are, but all I know is that they're not screws. Might switch to this one. Pressure. I'm probably going to do this in multiple parts, but unless if I continue at the pace I'm going. Separate. Holding a fan. Fan is about to drop. back to this file, as this file is for holding the shell together. I'm back. Yes, I am hand loosening of the screws.